Okay, good morning, children. Today topic is speed of the transverse wave in the string. Already, uh, so the speed factor. The speed factor is depending upon the speed of the wave in a transverse wave. In a string is depends on tension in a wire and a linear density of a wire. Tension in a wire and linear density of a wire. This is the tension and linear density. So this is the simple way to find out the relation between the transverse wave velocity to the tension in a wire and linear density of a wire. So that means here the if you increase the tension, so the speed of the transverse wave is depends upon the tension and linear density. Only the two factors is there. So this way is proportional to t to the power of a and mu to the power of b. So therefore, by using the dimensional analysis, we can find the relation between these the velocity and tension and linear density. So t to the power of a and mu to the power of b. So what is the tension? Tension in a wire. Tension in a wire is nothing but a force developed in the string, that is equal to ml t to the power of minus 2. Linear density is equal to mass by length. Linear density is mass by length. Linear density means the total mass of the wire by length of the wire, that is m by l, that is ml t to the power of minus 1. So these two values are substituting in this equation. Here the v is equal to velocity. Velocity dimensional formula is l into t to the power of minus 1 is proportional to ml t to the power of minus 2. This is the tension dimensional formula, and linear density dimensional formula is ml t to the power of minus ml to the power of minus 1 all to the power of b. So by simplify this equation, here the what is the m to the power of a, here the m to the power of b, m to the power of a plus b, and l, here the l to the power of a and l to the power of minus b. So therefore l to the power of a minus b. Here the t to the power of minus 2 into a minus 2a. There is no t term here. So therefore by comparing the l terms and t terms and m terms, so therefore compare the m l t terms powers. So therefore here the m is equal to m power is a plus b is equal to 0. Why? Because there is no m here. So therefore m to the power of 0. So therefore a plus b is equal to 0. So b is equal to minus a, that is equal to, here the t powers minus 2a is equal to minus 1. Minus 2a is equal to minus 1. So therefore a is equal to minus 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. But here b is equal to minus a. So therefore b is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore this a value b value substituting in the first equation, v is equal to t to the power of 1 by 2, a is equal to 1 by 2, mu to the power of b, here the b is equal to minus 1 by 2. So to the power of 1 by 2 means root of t, to the power of minus 1 by 2 means 1 by mu root. So therefore here the v is equal to t by mu under root. Here the proportional constant is there. By using the dimensional analysis we cannot find the proportional constant value, but in this case proportional constant value is equal to 1. So this is the relation, the speed of the transverse wave in the string.